Hello everyone. Welcome to Sklearning C#.net interview series. In this video, we'll explore the difference between request verbs, request header, request body, response status codes, request verbs. These HTTP verbs get, post, put, and delete describe what should be done with the resource. For example, do you want to create, read, update, or delete an entity? Get, put, post, and delete HTTP verbs are the most commonly used ones. When a client sends requests to the server, the request contains a header and a body. The request header contains additional information such as what type of response is required. For example, do you want the response to be in XML or JSON? Request body. Request body contains the data to send to the server. For example, a post request contains the data for the new item that you want to create. The data format may be in XML or JSON. Response body. The response body contains the data sent as response from the server. For example, if the request is for a specific product, the response body includes product details either in XML or JSON format. Response status codes. These are the HTTP status codes that give the client details on the status of the request. Some of the common status codes are 200/OK, 404/not found, 204/no content.
Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to Sklearning for more informative content.